this video we show the Gevi espresso coffee machine 4627BK. The machine have some component together, have a handle with a filter to cup, spoon, also can use like a temper. In the machine, in the front part, we have the button for switch on and switch off the machine. For switch on is enough push. If we want to switch off, need to push and wait 5 seconds. Down the bottom we have the knob for select the function. On the left side, brew espresso. On the right side, foaming milk. Here, two light signal. Here is for the power, so when we switch on, the light switch on. This is for heating. When we switch on the machine, this is off. When the machine is hot, the light shines. Here we have a steam pipe with the steam pipe cover. It's possible to remove. It's also in plastic material, so you can use like a handle to move the steam pipe. On this side we have the water tank. First time we use the machine, we need to make some operation. Need to make a cleaning of the internal machine. So we proceed in this way. First of all, need to remove all the sticker from the packaging. So we have some sticker put for packaging. We remove all. From the water tank, we remove the tape to protect the valve. Also, we need to check the assembly this. The filter have a mark, also the handle have one mark. Check. Remove from the plug the cover. Now we can proceed. The next operation is fill the water tank with clean water. Already filled the water tank with the clean water. Remember, don't pass the max level. Then we fix again in the machine, vertical movement. Careful to fix well in the valve in the base. Then we connect the plug and switch on the machine. The light become green, switch on. And also the heating is switch on because the machine is ready. You check the handle is flat, ready to rotate, and with assembly, flat position, full rotation to the lock. Is very important because if it's not locked, we have some leakage. We take one cup and then we cleaning inside the boiler. The heating is ready, so we switch the knob on the brewing espresso and we left the water brew. In the beginning, maybe the machine makes some noisy because the hydraulic internal part is empty. Now when it becomes full, stop to make vibration. We left brew around 1 cup of water. Then we stop. Remove the cap, wait that finish, because inside don't have powder, so many water is hot. Wait a moment that finish to drop, then careful, we open through the residual water. This is automatic function. The machine releases in the drip tray the over temperature, so it's like a steam, to drip down again the temperature of the machine. Step is about cleaning the steam tube. We use again one cup, rotate in position the steam pipe, then the frontal knob, rotate on froth milk. The machine automatically starts to brew some steam. We let it work around 30 seconds, so the steam clean all the tube. For this, we put again the knob in the middle position. Again, the machine automatically threw in the drip tray the excess in high pressure and hot water. So quickly the machine becomes less hot. In case we want to switch off the machine, we need to push the switch on, switch off button for 5 seconds. We release when we saw the light switch off. In this way the machine is switched off.